Hi loves, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make a super quick 2 minutes hairstyle. So we'll begin by making a parting and dividing all our hair into 2 equal sections. Now you want to grab one of these sections and grabbing a small tiny piece from one side, and you want to twist it, adding more hair to this twist. You want to twist it again, so basically it just kind of wrapping around itself this twist. This is a very easy twist. Just try it. It's much easier than a raw braid or any type of braid. So you just twist your hair and add more hair and twist it again. When one twist is ready, clip it away for later and repeat on the other side. Then grabbing this twist, you want to tie them both together in the back, creating a low ponytail. Now you want to grab your ponytail and make an opening through this ponytail and bring the hair through it. If your hair is longer, you want to bring it through this same opening and make sure to tuck your into the elastic, the hair underneath like I'm showing. To secure your hair, you want to use bobby pins to fix it, but this is totally optional. If your hair is not heavy, it's okay how it is with only this elastic. Onto hairspray it, of course, if you need again, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Guys, can you please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video, because I post a lot of hairstyles. Love you guys so much. Hope to see you soon. Mwah. Bye.